Hey guys, what's up? I am Nikhil from Dope Motions and I want to present you our 4500 plus Gaze graphics pack. This graphics pack is an all-in-one animation pack that you will ever need. It comes equipped with 23 different animation categories which include typography, slideshows, titles, transitions, social media animations, and so much more. The best part is that it comes with a free AtomX extension which makes the complete user experience super fast and easy. So you can spend less time on pre-rendering the animations and more time creating epic stuff. Right now our pack is selling for a flat price of just $39. But wait, there is more for you. If you purchase our graphics pack before 31st of August, you will get our 555 plus titles and lower thirds pack and 550 plus motion graphics pack absolutely free, which are both worth $60. All the three packs works together with free extension in perfect harmony, saving you a lot of time. So let me show you guys how you can claim your freebies. So after you purchase the Gaze graphics pack, you need to claim your freebies. So all you have to do is head on to MoGraph Motions and visit our profile tab, then scroll down below, and here in the message section all you have to type in is #dope gift and send it to us. Once you send the email, we will verify your purchase and then send you both the packs manually through an email with all the purchase code and all the future updates. So make sure to download this pack right now and grab your freebies. Alright, so here we are in After Effects and I have opened up the AtomX extension. After you install the extension, you can find it under Windows Extension AtomX and then you can dock it wherever that you want. And as you can see, we have all the different categories right over here. We have over 23 different categories and we also have more than 500 sound effects, so you don't need to search for sound effects anywhere else, and every sound effects and animation is copyright free, so you are free to use the animation for personal as well as commercial projects. So let me give you guys a quick overview of this. So right over here we have slideshows, which contain some really interesting and cool looking slideshow animations, so you can create a complete slideshow if you want. All the slideshows are unique in itself. Then we have the typography section, which have some typography animated backgrounds, but we also have typography slide animations, so there are a number of different variation, and as you can see, all the animations are unique in itself. Everything is built from scratch using some very nice and trendy looking design and animation. Then we have the transition, which are really cool, and we have tons of transitions like brush transitions, we have ink transitions as well, we have flat transitions, we have shape transitions, we have light leak transitions, liquid transitions, which is pretty unique and looks super cool. Then we have seamless transition, and in seamless we get subcategories like displacement, pan transitions, rotation transitions, simple displacements, zoom transitions, split transitions, so many different varieties right here. Then let's jump into the title section. So we have over 300 plus different title animations. So in the title we have brush titles, we have clean titles, we have elegant title animations, we have minimalistic title animations, quote animations, then we have wedding titles, then we also have lower thirds, then we have clean, elegant, graphic style lower thirds, and really cool and interesting ones. Then let's move on to huge title. This is one of my favorite. So this contains some really interesting huge title animation or big title animation, you can call it, and then you can use it for broadcast animation or even into your vlogs. That would look really cool. And also one more thing, editing everything is super easy. So let's go ahead and add one of the title animations. So let's say I'll select this one and click on apply. It's going to take a few seconds and boom, there we have our title animation. Super easy to use. You can also change the in and out animation duration using this markers that we have right here. And to edit these titles, you don't even have to jump into the composition. All you have to do is select the comp and go right over here in the customizer, and from right here you can change everything. Like you can change this to a maybe a different color. You can increase the line size if you want to. I can keep it short, or make it really big. You can increase the scaling of the text, so you can make this really nice and big. You can even edit the text, so I can jump into the edit text section. I can change this to something like maybe travel and style, and yeah, that's it. It's that simple, and there you have your title ready to roll. Super easy to use. Then let's check out some other categories. So we have Instagram story animations, we have Instagram post animation, really cool. So you can add the animation, change the text, and there you have your Instagram post ready to post. Then we have some social media elements, so you can add those into your YouTube videos. We have logo animation, so in case if you're creating some brand videos, you can add this cool logo animation to your videos at the start or at the end. Then we have animated devices, so if you are into UI design and stuff, you can present your UI design in style using the cool mockups. We have call out animations, shape elements. If you're creating some really cool motion graphics, you can use this complex shape elements to enhance the complete look. We have icon animations. Then we have background animations as well, for which are really cool for motion graphic projects. We have infographics that can be super handy when we are working with something that has to do with numbers. We have audio spectrum, we have vintage badges, we have gradient background, so we can use this really cool and nice looking gradients. We have color filters, and we have color palettes as well. So if you want to search for some really interesting color combinations, you can check them out. We have some really cool animation presets, so you can just drag and drop these presets and you have a really interesting animation. Same goes for the text animation. So if you want to create a really simple text animation and you don't want to spend more time on this, drag your text, add the animation, and you're good to go. And finally, we have some really interesting sound effects for your motion graphics projects again. So that is the complete Gauge graphics pack. It's a super huge library, and in future it's going to keep on expanding. So I guarantee you that this is the last pack that you will ever need, because it has everything, almost everything that you'll ever need for a motion graphics project. That was my overview on the Gauge graphics project. If you want to know more about this pack, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. With that said, I am Nikhil from dopemotions.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.